Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com, and we're going to do another unboxing video of the Carryon GB120 by Golden Technologies, a fold-down flat scooter. We really like four-wheel scooter, great for traveling. Sold a ton of these. They're awesome. CarryonUSA.com will go directly to this page, CarryonUSA.com. So first of all, when it comes in, this box is about 70 pounds. So we're just going to cut this off. It's a very, very easy install, unboxing. You're going to just unpop it. If the box is some reason really damaged, you just really need to send pictures or just reject the order. We haven't had really any problems with shipping. We have a way we box them. We ship them direct to you from us. It's going to come with a cup holder. And these are little plastic cup holders it comes with, but I found that you can go to Walmart and buy the bike metal holders, which are a lot nicer. They're $4.98. You can go there and you can put one on the other side, and it'll come with your charger. We also send it at the moment with these hard shell backpacks. When we send it, we'll send it in this box. Unless you buy a TSA approved battery, we'll send this and the TSA approved battery together in another box. It will also come with your flags. This comes out. You're going to have your seat. The seat is 12 pounds. And these just pop right up. And all you got to do is take all the plastic off of that. This comes out. And here, this is where you go ahead and start undoing this wrap. When it comes from us, we're going to put the basket attachment already on here, so you won't have to do what I'm about to show you. So this will come up. This is your release. It won't come up unless you release this handle. See how this moves the unit? Pull this back. Here's your manual. Push this button. This pops up. Bring this out. Keep this clean. Put this on the charger immediately for your initial 12-hour charge. 12 hours. After that, you can charge it up after you use it. What I really, really like about this unit is the option of charging this scooter away from the unit, the battery away from the unit. So you can plug this directly into here, or if you don't want to take the battery out, you can also plug it directly into this port here also. So this would just plug right in. This light will be red when you stick it on the chart, when you plug it into the wall. The next day after your initial charge, this light will be green. That means it's fully charged. So we'll do that in just a second. That's 6 pounds, that battery's 6 pounds. So this is gonna be 47 pounds. So if you have someone that can help you at least get this out, go ahead and get it out. And then down below here, you'll find your basket and your attachment. So we're going to do a real quick cleanup. We're going to come back on and show you the rest. So we're going to put this on for you. If you buy it from another company, you'll have to install this with this little tool they send you. This is the only thing you're really going to have to put on. And it's a little bit of a pain, but you just you can put it on this side or you can put it on the other side, and you just screw it in with this. So that might take you, with this tool, I don't know, 2 minutes. It's really the only thing that takes a while. Also, remember, you got to remove the fuse back here. This will be a warning label. It'll tell you to stop. CarryonUSA.com, you'll have a sticker all over this showing it. So this is a spare fuse. We're just going to take this fuse out. So take your time. If you drop it below here, you gotta unscrew this to bring it out. So take your time on this. That's all you do. With the battery out, please. And then you just put this back on. What's cool about this tells you all your fault codes. These fault codes could be as easy as it's in freewheel. You have the throttle pushed in, so it tells you all the stuff you need to know about this unit. So this comes back. This is a battery we already have charged up. I'm just going to throw this back in there so we can ride around because we need a 12-hour charge on this. And here's your basket. Small basket, but it's usable. And remember, we send out this backpack for you too, that will go on the back of the seat like so. This is just a used one. You'll have a new one that comes with you. And this just drops on and off the front. You can leave it on by folding it up like this. And you have to push that little tab to release it. This is the seat. One thing I want y'all to know, I got 20, 30 of these in my rental fleet. They've done excellent. The one problem we run into them is when you put the seat on, sometimes they just drop it like that and sit down on it. What happens with that is this starts to bend up and sometimes this breaks. This is to keep this from moving left or right when you're loading it in the car. So make sure you put the seat on and make sure that's down before you sit down. If you do that, that will not happen. Also, if you buy this, it comes with a long-range battery. You can buy a TSA approved travel battery. It's only 7.4 miles, so it's not very far. But you can do another option of buying the TSA approved battery over the long-range battery and an extra one of these, and then you should get about 14 miles. But you would have to carry this with you. And it does come with a little carrying case, or it can go in your backpack that we send with you. That I just showed you, that's over there. So TSA approved battery, long range battery. That's a 15 amp hour battery. This is a 6.5 amp hour battery. I really like this unit. It has good steering. It holds 300 pounds. When I say it holds 300 pounds, I'm about 5'7", 185. I fit very comfortable on it. Andre's about 6'4", that's on the camera right now. He fits okay on it, but it's good travel. So if you have like a heavy duty scooter for outdoors, this is like an alternative than a lift, like a vehicle lift like we see over here. This can be a solution and they're cheaper. But we've had all different size people on here and they've done fine. If you're buying this just for your yard and you have real thick grass, don't buy it. Hard surfaces, going to ballparks, stuff like that with really good cut grass, it's a little bit hard grass surface, it's fine. This is a tiller adjustment, so you can adjust your tiller right here. Here's your battery. So there's a couple things about the battery that you need to know is sometimes if you have it fully charged, it has the memory of its last setting. So if you rode it today for 2 or 3 hours and you're missing a couple bars and you charge it all night and the charger's green and it's missing 2 or 3 bars, it takes about 10 minutes, it'll reboot itself. It has a memory of its last charge. I usually tell people that when they buy one, I'll call them and tell them that. You have a light on the front. This is your rocker switch. So you have a nice light. And you also have one on the back. And then you have a USB charging port right here. You don't want to take this and turn it as hard as it can. It stops, but if you can overpower turn it, we have made a correction with that, so you should be fine. But let's take this thing apart. So, I'd like to mention also, you see this is in red. There's red here, red back here. Now we have them in black, purple, gold, pink, silver, or if you have a certain color you want, just let us know, we'll do it. Give us a couple days to do it, but we can change the color of it. It's like $50, but we can change the color of this and it looks really, really good. So seat off, release this lever, seat comes off. This is 12 pounds. And it's just not a very, I'm not gonna say it's not an uncomfortable seat, but it's made to be light compared to some units that are like 20, 30 pounds, 40 pounds. Really light handle case right here. The battery, you push the button, it comes right out. Again, you can carry this inside your house and charge it. So you don't have to take the full unit every time. Some companies, like the Triax Sport, there's a lot of other units, you have to take the battery pack out to go inside. The other thing you do is you pull this out just a little bit to get it started, and this comes straight down. And then you're gonna use this lever. Now you don't push up, you come towards you, and this comes straight down. You see how the battery or the basket is right here? Well, this can come off and fold it up and put in your little travel bag we send with you. And now you can put your seat on top. Now you can pull these out and these come down. You can rest your seat right here. So taking it, putting it together, 1, 2, 3. Battery in. Basket on the front. Take your seat, drop it on. These come back up, and you're pretty much done. So flaws, like I said, you don't want to be using this in real thick grass. It's a hard surface scooter. What I really like about the fold down feature over a fold up feature is that you have option to take the seat off the battery out to make it lighter, and you can lift this up to put this on the bumper of your car. If you have a minivan, a small SUV, it makes it really easy. And then slide it in. I think we did a little video on that. We have a lot of videos about that. This is the GB120 by Golden Technologies. Carryonyusa.com is going to go directly to this page. You can get two of these in the back of a small SUV, Toyota Corolla. We've done it. So it's a really nice unit, and I feel like it's priced really reasonable for everything it offers. You can put your feet up here, which makes it nice. This is a hard plastic. It's not cheap plastic stuff. And it's been our #1 scooter, and I think we're the #1 dealer in the country that sells them. We sold probably 300, 350, maybe more. We have about 80 in stock at the moment. So we're ready to ship. We ship direct, we ship fast, we ship free. And if you have any questions too, call me at 803-926-2224.